Afternoon folks, how are we all doing? Right, quick motorcycle update. I'll spin you over this way. Right, starting off with Elvis. I spent a good few hours yesterday cleaning all three bikes. Now, as you all know, I do ride all year round in all weathers. I'm trying not to take Elvis out in the worst of the weather, but just in case, I have been doing a bit of work on him. We thoroughly coated him with this stuff. Let's try again, XCP Professional Rust Blocker. Did some research on the internet. That came out on top of the rust proofing products. I've used ACF 50 in the past, and quite honestly I don't rate it. I found it just attracted a lot of dirt to the bike and it rusted anyway. In fact, I thought it was rubbish. The comparisons I've seen on YouTube, 5 or 6 different videos, ACF 50 was not rated at all. This was the highest rated, so that's what I went for. Do your own research. I've also used good old-fashioned turtle wax. Literally pour it on a cloth, wipe it on the bike, wait for it to dry to a white dusty finish, then buff it off. That's it. Thus is the finish. Nice and clean and tidy and sealed up, ready for winter. Well, by the way, that's my little tool bag. As far as the other bikes go, KTM, the big lad, as you can see, missing the back wheel. New tyre to be fitted next day or two. Brian, he's still working well. New tyre, finally on, no issues, been on the road a couple of weeks. So he's all good. Big lad's waiting for a tyre, as I say. Hopefully I'll be fit next day or two. And I've removed the standard mirrors, fit these little bar mirrors. They're like a tenner a pair, so if they break they're nothing to it. I haven't tried them yet, but if they're rubbish I'll take them off. For a tenner I ain't complaining. So there we go. That's my little update. Oh, I've used the rust blocker on the KTM as well. Haven't done Brian yet, but then not a lot of point really. He's 3 years in and got bits of corrosion on him anyway. We'll see how this XCP stuff goes, and I shall report back. If it turns out to be rubbish, I'll let you know. If it's good, I'll let you know. But I'm just going on what I've read on the internet or seen on the internet and videos and stuff. That seems to be the one to go for. And I've just realised the only thing I haven't waxed is my wheels. I have XCP'd the spokes, but I haven't waxed the wheels. So that's my next job. Right, I'm off-ski. That's it folks. It was just let me spin you around. It was just a very quick update on the bikes. Midweek video, keep you updated on what's happening, because I'm on annual leave. Oh, and the other day was my birthday. Thank you very much for everybody wishing me happy birthday. Right, see you all soon. Please, whatever you're doing, be safe, ride safe and have fun. Toodles!